So here we are at the host hotel. Just to give you guys just a quick overview of everything that's happening here. The brains of the entire operation.
Go that far.
This convention would not be happening if it weren't for the tireless efforts of this lady here. But look at all this incredible stuff. All the sweet swag we're going to have available. Sweet tie-dye shirts. They're going to look awesome. If you pre-ordered Ivan McColgee's book, who's going to be one of the speakers here at this event, they're here for you. And look at these incredible beer glasses for the combo plate. That's pretty sweet. And I believe they're sponsored by Dave's Rare Fish. Look at these incredible effort of these racks. Hundreds and hundreds of cinder blocks and 4x4 posts. And they've got an arrangement where they're basically renting them. And all these incredible tanks, only some of them are up right now, but all these incredible tanks were donated by the good folks over at Aqueon. So this is going to be the show area. And then this center area, I'm told, is going to be primarily all the rental tanks. So these are tanks that patrons of this convention can rent and fill with fish. And it's going to be like a veritable pet store here. All right, as soon as you're coming in, you start seeing some of the things. There's the mascots. We've got our vendor board that's just getting started. We have the state animal. A lot of the different sponsors are starting to showcase some of their products and wares. Registration's now closed for the day. It closed at 5, but it just kind of continues on. Then we have our different boards showcasing some of the different things, all the different sponsors, all the different levels of sponsors, all the details about the auction. We have the schedules for each one of the days, everything that's happening at the times, and which rooms and so forth. All right, here we have 3 of the most incredible women here, and these women are going to tell you all about what they do. So who are you guys?
I'm Grace Bennis. I'm Phoebe Hudson. And I'm Hannah Williamson.
And what are you guys?
We are the ACA Youth Board. ACA
Youth Board. That's pretty awesome because you guys are bringing a dynamic that's been sorely needed for a long time. Let me see the logo. Turn around. Look at that. We've got the classic ACA logo, and it's been changed a little bit to reflect the kids in the hobby, and that's absolutely incredible. We're going to interview these young ladies in a little bit for the video down the road, but thanks, ladies.
Thank you.
Now, one other thing that's happening right now is so you can see the booth starting to come together fast and furious. We've got all these incredible brands, big represented really, really well. They can purchase a lot of these products. This is Martin Lisa's booth at the Super Cichlids. They're one of the sponsors for my talk, as well as several others. They represent brands like Dr. Baslier, Danichi, Extreme, and numerous other brands, and they do it really, really well. Kevin Cumberton from Tangled Up as Cichlids is here, showcasing a wide variety of incredible different species, things that are very, very uncommonly seen, such as a lot of the different anostomids or leprinus types, South American headstanders, unique characins. We have some Hemigrammus ceruleus. We have all sorts of weird and obscure cory cats, tiger stripe fasciatus silver dollars, a new Mokunkausia characin. I believe this is Kogel Yellow. These guys are absolutely incredible. Now, I know I'm talking about tetras at a cichlid show, but these are absolutely outstanding. We got some Centrals, we got some South Americans, we got all sorts of cool stuff being showcased here at Tangled Up in Cichlids. First time I'm seeing this, but some incredible selection of tropical plants, which kind of goes hand in hand. Who doesn't have a nice assortment of incredible tropical plants in their fish room? Like something like these incredible Nepenthes, these tropical Asian pitcher plants. Just look at that. That thing is absolutely incredible for a carnivorous plant. This is Victoria Lee Creates. Stab Scales, the world-renowned aquatic artist, or nature artist, I guess is a better way of saying it. He's still unpacking, but you guys can get an idea of some of the incredible artwork. I've shown you many of his pieces that adorn my fish room in different areas. Sam is an absolute legend, and he's awesome to see him here at the ACA 2023. And representing Fritz this year, we have Keith Kalinowski. Now you guys might know Keith from KJE Aquatics. He's helped us out before. He's got me some incredible products, like some of the products that he represents himself, like some of the incredible medications that are no longer available in Canada. So you got to come to the States to get the goodness. How's it going, Keith?
It's going really well.
It's going real well. And one of the big sponsors for the event is Tristan's Tropical Fish. Tristan also was the big tour today. How many people did you have out at your house today, Tristan?
I think about 40.
About 40 people in your greenhouse? That's impressive. So Tristan's also here. He's repping some different house plants and stuff, things that are nice companions, some rare orchids. And as you guys have seen, we'll put a link to the video of his incredible fish house. He's brought a fine selection of incredible species here for sale. So, by the time you guys are seeing this, you're going to be kicking yourself, wondering, hey, I didn't show up. Yeah, this is the stuff you're all missing out on. Here's just a sampling, some of the incredible fish you're going to see. Like Tristan, he specializes in a lot of unique species, like a lot of the very, very uncommon apistogrammas. He's got some angels. He's got some really neat, obscure characins, or maybe they're a rasbora. I don't even know what that one is. That's a black rasbora. All right. Different cyprinids. Some really high-end pure strains of some endlers. We got different types of characins and small apistos again. We got some little oddball West African cichlids there. I can see it in the middle. And some cardinal tetras, some high-end plants. More apistos, more apistos. This guy knows how to do it right. One of the other vendors new to the area is a Sanctuary cichlids. Look at these two incredible monster Atabapo pikes. Just screamers, and a gorgeous Hipparchus psittacus, a single fish. We got some nice big haps. And there, as I said, everybody's just setting up, so everything might look a little bit rough right now. Everybody's just getting in. We've got some cool Leprinus headstanders there as well, Leprinus gossii. It says there's a Turgrinus catfish in there. Oh, I can see it. It's up in the top corner. We got some different types of cichlids and stuff, and look at that. I believe that is a Cross River puffer. Yep. I believe that to be a male based on his patterning. Males will develop a lot more spotting, whereas the females will look more kind of like a Fahaka puffer with the lines. The lines will be a bit more reddish in color. And then they'll develop a few spots, but no spotting quite to that degree. That is the most highly covered of all the puffer species. I know ACA would be complete without my dear friend Mr. Mike Shadle from Fish Factory. He's been bringing the incredible selection of books to every single one of these events for decades. And he has some incredible books, some incredible book treasures, things that have been out of print for decades, signed author copies. I've even got some treasures hidden underneath that curtain there that I've already picked up and put aside for myself. Now these guys, they're not here right now, but if memory serves me correct, I believe these guys were also in Louisville, and I bought some stuff from them. Now granted, I can't buy a lot of plants or anything like that, but they got a great selection of some really, really unique plants, like the different carnivorous plants, several different types of anthuriums. They got a few different things that you'd see a bit more common, like some of the different household plants and stuff like that, great for different vivarium builds. But they also have some incredible selection of botanicals, all sorts of different stuff. Look at that incredible Anthurium veitchii, that great king Anthurium, and all sorts of different botanicals. Look at all this stuff. I remember buying from them a lot of stuff before, but I'm going to probably sneak back and grab all of these if I can, because these are awesome. These are the $3 bowl, it says. So I'm just going to say right now that all of these are sold. So he told you, I was just going to put them aside. So those are all mine. Nobody gets those. Those are mine. I noticed that they have like a whole bin of them, so I'm probably going to buy all of those too. You'd be hard-pressed in the ACA to find anybody that has been more of a devout sponsor than Gary Bagnell, the owner of Zoomed Aquatics. Now, probably 90% of his sales is in reptile products, but he has some incredible aquatic products as well. And he's been supporting us. Like just for me alone, I'm on the American Cichlid Association Speakers Program, and clubs that book me through the ACA Speakers Program, you can find the information for that on the ACA website, AmericanCichlidAssociation.org. They can find out how to go about booking me, and they get a $200 check sent to their club to offset the costs. Look at some of these incredible products. So we've got Zoom Ed Mopani wood, not something that will tan your water. So if you like tannic acid in your water and want that nice tea-colored water for all the different South American species or West African stuff, this is the stuff you're going to want. Or the incredible spider wood, or look at these different bonsais and some of these low boy tanks that everybody loves, especially for salt water, for the frags and stuff, because you can put a lot of light on a very shallow tank. All sorts of cool stuff. Mangrove roots. So make sure you check out Zoom Ed Aquatics. They give back so much to our hobby.